In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually vacuum a pool, and I'm using the Leslie's Pro Grade 14-inch vacuum head. This vacuum head has a lot of great features. It's weighted, so it's going to stay down on the pool floor, and you'll be able to vacuum up the side of the pool walls with this also. It also features ball bearing wheels, so this vacuum head will move easily on the pool bottom. And it features this nice swivel handle, which will make it really maneuverable in the pool. And this is a 14-inch vacuum head, so it's a perfect size to vacuum out most pools. The first thing you want to do is connect the vacuum head to your pool pole. And the V-clip should lock it in place. And next you want to connect your pool hose to the vacuum head. Now you want to place the vacuum head at the bottom of the pool. You want to make sure you brace your pool pole so it doesn't fall into the pool. And I like to fully extend my pool pole. That way I can feed the hose in without, again, the pole falling into the pool. And here's the most important part. You want to feed the hose in the water and get all of the air out of the hose. That way when you connect it to the skimmer, you're not going to lose prime. If there's air in the hose, the pump's going to lose prime. It'll make it difficult to vacuum the pool. And it may even make it difficult to reprime the pool pump. So now we're going to connect the hose into the skimmer. You'll take off the skimmer lid and you're going to remove the skimmer basket. So you can do this one or two ways. You can feed the pool hose directly into the front of the skimmer, or you can bring it up on the deck into the skimmer. I prefer bringing it over the top of the deck into the skimmer. I feel that's an easier way to do it. Okay, now you want to go ahead and turn the pool on. And if you're using a variable speed pump, you want to make sure you have it on at the highest RPM or the highest speed. Now you want to carefully insert the pool hose into the skimmer hole that's activated. If you are vacuuming a pool with heavy leaf debris, you definitely want to use an inline canister with the vacuum hose. That way the leaves don't clog up the plumbing or clog up the pump basket. This pool had just mainly sand in it. And if you notice that the pool pump is pulling too much water at high speed, you can lower down the speed or RPMs so that you can vacuum the pool easier. And you want to vacuum the pool in a consistent pattern, just like vacuuming your carpet or cutting your grass. You also want to keep a steady pace. If you go too fast, you're going to stir up all the dirt and debris. One thing you don't want to do is put the vacuum head directly over the main drain. You could actually break off the top of the main drain with the suction from the pump. So always go around the side of the main drain and never have the vacuum head directly on the center of the main drain. And since this vacuum has weights in it, you can easily vacuum up the sides of the wall with no problem. And the weights also help you when you vacuum the step area. And the swivel makes this vacuum very maneuverable. So you can go back to another spot in the pool really easily by just twisting the pole and turning the vacuum head. And when you go to vacuum the spa, you want to pull the vacuum head out of the pool rapidly. This will minimize the amount of air the pump will suck. You can also turn off the pump while you do this, but I find it just as easy just to pull it out rapidly and drop it in the spa. And then you want to wait about 10 seconds for the pool to prime back up. And once you finish vacuuming the spa, you can drop it back into the pool in case you need to spot vacuum any areas. And here's a little trick on how to pull the vacuum out and also get all the water out of the hose at the same time. So what you want to do is get close to the skimmer, have your hand on the hose and get ready to pull it out. Then you want to take the vacuum head and pull it out of the pool. All the water will run through the hose, and when it gets near the skimmer, just pull the other end out of the skimmer. And that way now you can easily coil up the hose and all the water has been evacuated out of the vacuum hose. So that's how you manually vacuum out a pool. And again, I'm using the Leslie's Pro Grade vacuum head. This is a 14-inch vacuum head and it has a lot of great features. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.